disaster strikes is the time that you need us the most. Metro Public Adjustment is a public adjusting firm. People have a lot of misconceptions about the insurance process, and we take that fear away. We're there to interpret their policy, to help them understand their insurance and their insurance needs and coverages. We pride ourselves in being able to handle any type of loss, from large commercial losses to small residential loss.
We're a company on the move. That's not an accident. To us, serving our clients' needs is our main goal. Our mission is to be the public adjusting firm that consistently exceeds the expectations of our clients and our people. Our competitive advantage lies in the quality of our people and the quality of the work we do for our clients.
Well, when we had the problem with the ice, it was pretty devastating because water was coming in everywhere. There didn't seem to be a room that was being spared by the ice coming off the roof and the water coming in through the walls. It was a frightening thing not knowing where to turn. We got a hold of Metro, and their people came right out.
I was really surprised because not only did they consider, the floor that was on the second floor, but they considered everything on the first floor because, in all sincerity, I had paper, and it's very hard to match the paper for just that spot.
And there was smoke coming out of the vents, and it was all over our floors. It was on the rugs, and we had it, on the ceiling, and I had no idea that it was covered.
Most people, they can't know what their policy covers because they just don't have the time to sit down and learn about their insurance policy. For free, we go out and we teach people so that they know for the future, that they're prepared.
When I'm out there writing a claim, okay, a lot of times they don't even know they have the claim or the amount of money they're going to be getting out of it, which in turn helps them pay for whatever home remodeling they're doing, with the claim.
I can tell you I've been in a lot of situations where I've gotten phone calls from people because they're going through the claims process, and it's an annoying, tough thing to do because they don't have the education we do. Plenty of people out there don't realize that there's somebody that can come go to bat for them and help them get what they're really entitled to. Every day of the week there's plumbing losses, there's problems with roofs, siding, storm damage that happens that unfortunately for most folks they don't realize there is somebody who can step up to the bat and take care of that for them.
There's a lot of things in my policy that I didn't know you were covered for that I do now know that you are.
And I felt that as a senior citizen, many times we don't have a clue what to do. I find that many seniors are afraid to put a claim in to their insurance company because they think the rates will go up.
I had 2 claims, and what wound up happening is after my 2 claims, I wound up getting a policy in the mail, and they gave me another policy for the next year. They didn't drop me. The insurance didn't go up, and I'm happy. Where I thought, they might drop me. No, they didn't drop me. They sent me a new policy 2 months later.
I can't tell you exactly how long it took because I really don't remember, but the important thing was I was getting things fixed right away, and I didn't have to worry about not getting the bills paid. I was assured by Metro that the bills would be covered.
Do insurance companies pay claims fairly? Here's what the experts say. The industry as a whole is rewarding shareholders with higher returns, but in many cases it's because they're paying out less on claims. Roughly 80% of policyholders accepted damage appraisals without seeking an independent opinion. Those 80% get only 25 to 40% on the dollar compared with policyholders who get independent appraisals when they reopen their claims. Outright denials, lowball offers, endless wars fought by letter and telephone. It's all part of the process, and if you let it, it will wear you down. If you want more firepower on your side, consider hiring an independent adjuster to estimate damages and go to bat for you with your insurer.
Metro Public Adjustment is a leader in the public adjusting industry. We have resources that other companies don't have. We have a state-of-the-art computer system which we had programmed just for public insurance adjusting. We have FCNS bulletins online here. We have access to Westlaw online in our corporate office. We have a support group and support staff of engineers, accountants, lawyers that when we need to work on your claim, we have that ability. Our adjusters go through extensive training. We put them through the same vigorous training that the insurance company adjusters go through. And then we add on a lot of field training and specific training into public adjusting.
If you have a loss such as a fire where you've been devastated, you need someone who can come in and can take care of the claims process from A to Z. And that's where we come in.
When I looked back and pulled back the wallpaper, that's when I saw all these tubes, termite tubes.
When I was first introduced to Rosalind Clark, I came out here at the request of a home inspector. I gave her an initial inspection, and we found that she had some termite damage. It turned out to be catastrophic termite damage in the 86% of the house.
My kitchen cabinet started to fall off the wall. So that's when I called the contractor, and then that's when we got in touch with Metro.
We had the different engineers come out would try to tell us that there wasn't really a collapse in here, and I had to basically kick my foot through the rim joist to prove to them that this place wasn't sound.
Metro, to me, turned a disaster into an adventure. Metro Adjusting Company's gotten me all the money that I need to rebuild my house, and I never thought that was going to happen.
The insurance company spends millions of dollars a year training their claims personnel on how to handle claims the way the insurance company wants it handled. At Metro, you're hiring your own claims professional.
One of the things we pride ourselves on is integrity. We're a member of the Better Business Bureau. We're a member of the Public Adjusters Association, MAPIAN. We're a licensed and bonded public adjusting firm.
We like that we're available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, should our clients need us. We're there to help them, protect them, and to fight to get them the maximum settlement that they're entitled to.
When disaster strikes, this is the company to hire. It's that simple.